Welcome to another Digging into Life. As you can see, this little guy is actually digging into life. It's October, the crabs are out, and you get to see a little bit of the action down by the shoreline. And I have a small project repairing a leak in my garage.
Look at how active he is. Let's see what he does with this.
After the first rain, I quickly realized I needed to fix some holes before winter. I needed to borrow a longer ladder from my neighbor Eric, thank you very much, and then I used my ladder in order to safely traverse to the peak in order to screw those down so that they wouldn't blow away in the wind. Nice to get out to AA Macdonald Memorial Gardens, where there's 2 Pokestops and 2 Poke Gyms for when I'm playing Pokemon Go. And it's a beautiful place to wander around on a nice day.